paano mag-upgrade from non-pro to professional driver's license sa LTO. So bakit nga ba kailangan mag-upgrade to a professional license? Simple. If you want to drive for a living, like maging TNBS driver, delivery rider, truck driver, or work abroad, kailangan mo ng professional driver's license. It shows na kaya mong mag-handle ng bigger responsibilities sa kalsada. And the pro license is also more respected, especially by employers and agencies abroad. Qualifications. Ito ang mga dapat mong ma-check bago ka pumunta sa LTO. At least 18 years old, marunong magbasa at magsulat sa Filipino o English, physically at mentally fit para mag-drive. Walang unsettled traffic violation. Quick heads up mga kakuyas, lalo na sa may traffic violations. Kung may demerit points ka sa record mo, hindi ka agad-agad pwedeng mag-upgrade ng lisensya. May waiting period bago ka makapag-level up to a professional license. At take note, magsisimula lang yung bilang ng waiting period after mo mabayaran ang fines and penalties mo. Ito ang breakdown, 1 hanggang 2 demerit points. Churned wait for 3 buwan. 3 to 4 demerit points equals wait for 6 months. 5 or more, wait for 1 year. Pwede mong i-check ang demerit points mo sa LTO portal online. Mabilis at less hassle kaysa pumunta pa ng LTO office. Test requirements, kung valid pa ang non-pro mo. Theoretical exam lang ang kailangan. Pero kung expired na, theoretical at practical driving test na yan. Mag-review online. Maraming free LTO reviewers. Focus sa road signs at situational questions. Experience requirements. Importante rin ang driving experience mo, depende sa klase ng sasakyan na balak mong imaneho professionally. Motorcycles, codes A, A1. Kailangan may non-pro ka na, at least 6 na buwan. Light to heavy vehicles, codes B, B1, B2. Kailangan non-pro mo ay 1 taon na. Requirements. Here's your LTO checklist na dapat mo dalhin. Filled out a PL form, application for permits and license. Medical certificate mula sa LTO accredited clinic. Original at photocopy ng valid or expired non-pro license. TIN, Taxpayer's Identification Number. Kahit walang ID, basta meron kayo TIN number. Make sure na meron ka ng profile sa LTO portal at naipasa mo ang CDE online validation exam. Bring photocopies of all your documents para iwas sa bala sa pila. Step-by-step process. Ganito ang usual na proseso sa LTO kapag mag-a-apply ka ng pro license. Step 1. Pumunta at pumila sa pinakamalapit na LTO licensing center or district office. Step 2. Fill out the application form and submit mo ang requirements sa evaluation window. Step 3. Take the written, theoretical exam kung kailangan. Step 4. Take the practical driving test. Don't worry, hindi yan kasing scary ng iniisip mo. Step 5. Magbayad ng bayarin sa cashier. Step 6. Wait for your name to be called, then proceed sa photo and biometrics. Step 7. And finally, license release. Mag-practice mag-drive ng manual vehicle. Kasi madalas yun ang ginagamit sa actual exam, kahit sanay ka sa automatic. Paalala, meron bayad ang paggamit ng sasakyan sa loob ng practical driving test, mga bayarin para sa pag-change to pro license. Kung valid pa ang lisensya. Application fee, 100 piso, replacement fee, 225 piso. Change classification fee, 100 piso, kabuwang halaga. 425 piso. Kung expired na ang lisensya, replacement fee, renewal fee, 585 piso. Kabuuang halaga, 785 plus penalty, bonus tips. Para smooth experience mo, eto pa ang ilang dagdag tips. Maaga ka pumila, lalo na kung Monday. Check the LTO website or FB page for updates or appointment schedules. Dress properly. Bawal ang sando, shorts at tsinelas, lalo na sa photo capture. Magdala ng tubig at snacks. Minsan mahaba ang pila. Mag-review for the written exam. Marami na sa YouTube at mobile apps. And just like that, pro ka na! Hope this helped you gear up for your next driving goal. Kung nakatulong sa'yo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang i-like, mag-subscribe, at i-hit ang bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong video. Drive safe and see you on the road!